So Holland America is your go-to, I guess you would call, cruise line for that classic cruise experience in a premier cruise line. It's a wonderful, wonderful line. It's something that, I want to try one day because I kind of really like that basic cruising experience and not to have so many things going on. One of the things that's going on with them is they have a wonderful package that I am going to break down right now for you so you have a good understanding of exactly what the value is there. It's called the Have It All package. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, this is Rob from Cruise Seekers, and I want to say hello to everybody out there in YouTube. Thank you so much for everything that's going on right now. The channel is growing at an amazing rate. Thank you again, everybody, for that wonderful support that you're giving us. So what's going to happen here is we're going to break down Holland America's Have It All plan. It's a wonderful package that's pretty nice and it's very comprehensive. They have a lot of things going for it. One of them being, of course, a drinks package and a Wi-Fi package. That seems to kind of be the standard that you will find in all these cruise packages nowadays. The other thing that they added into here are kind of nice amenities. One of them being specialty dining. The other one is a wonderful take on how to handle shore excursion credit. Oh, I really like how Holland America handles these shore excursion credits, much more than how Norwegian Cruise Line handles it with their free at sea program. There's also a wonderful thing that's going on right now with Holland America. It's called their Best Deal Ever plan. And what they do is they kind of bundle some more add-ons with the Have It All package. What this does is it makes this premium cruise line experience a wonderful, wonderful value. So much of a value that it will probably be cheaper than what you can do on, say, a mainline cruise line, even Royal Caribbean. And I'm going to break that down for you so you can see exactly how the math works out. But before we get started with each section of the Have It All program, I would love to just invite everybody who's out there. If you're not a member of the Cruise Seekers Club, the crew I like to call them, please think about subscribing. It's really simple. We got a lot of real great content out there. Take a look at all the videos. We break down packages. I do cruise vlogs. I do cruise tips. I let you know exactly what I like about cruising, what are things I don't like about cruising. I try to give you everything you need to know about cruising. So if you like those things, definitely, again, please subscribe, hit that little notification bell on so you know when we put new content out there and you get a little notification from YouTube. It's free for you. You do it. It helps us a lot. It really does. Thanks in advance. All right, so let's get into this. We're going to talk right now about the Signature Beverage Package. So what the Signature Beverage Package does, it gives you 15 drinks total. 15 drinks. It's a hard cap. It's including alcoholic drinks and non-alcoholic drinks. Basically, if the drink is under $11, it's included in the package. Anything over $11, you will be charged a difference. Now, you do get non-alcoholic drinks, like I told you. You would get sodas, you would get mocktails, you can get specialty coffees, juices, etc. that have a charge to it. But remember, those non-alcoholic drinks do count to your 15 drinks per day allowance. You can only order one beverage at a time with this package, so you can't go up there for you and your wife, and it just doesn't work that way. You just need to have her go up there with you, one drink at a time. Of course, like every other beverage package out there, sharing is not allowed. They do kind of try to monitor this. If you get caught, they will punish you and they will take away your drinking privileges with the package. So don't share, just don't. There are some exclusions. Of course, any drinks in the mini bar is not going to be included. Drinks that you would get from room service will not be included. The other interesting thing here too is beverages on Half Moon Cay, the specialty island for Holland America, is not included with the beverage package. Now, there's some conflicting information about being able to upgrade to Holland America's Elite Beverage Package. There's some places that you would find that say, hey, you can't do it. I tried to do it. Nobody's allowing me to do it on the ship. Some people say, I'm able to do it. So take this information about upgrading with kind of a grain of salt. Your mileage may vary type of thing. So what will happen is from the research that I've been seeing, some ships will allow you to upgrade from the Signature Beverage Package to the Elite Beverage Package. They usually charge $10 per person per night. So for a 7-night cruise, it's only $70 plus an 18% gratuity. Now, that's a really good value, and this is the reason why. First reason why it's a pretty good idea to upgrade is that your drink amount limit, the $11 per drink or under, goes up to $15 per drink or under. So that opens up a lot of that top shelf spirits that will become available to you. You'll also be able to get the Dale de Groff specialty cocktails with that in this package. The other cool thing about upgrading is it will remove the number of drinks that you drink that are non-alcoholic to your limit. So you will be able to drink a limited amount of non-alcoholic drinks. It will not count towards your 15 hard limit count. All right, now let's talk about the Surf Wi-Fi. The Surf Wi-Fi is your standard surfing Wi-Fi package. Basically, you'll be able to check your emails, do some basic web browsing, do some, messaging here and there, that type of stuff. Nothing crazy. You're not going to be able to kind of post photos or videos. You're not going to be able to listen to streaming audio. You're not going to be able to do FaceTime. This is not the type of package for that type of use on the internet. As a matter of fact, they will limit that type of access on this package. Unlike the drinks package, you can upgrade your Wi-Fi package. The cool thing is you'll be able to do it right in the app when you log on to your Wi-Fi package. They will give you an option to upgrade to the premium package. Now, what the premium package does, it gives you everything that I talked about in the Surf package, but it does allow you to stream media such as video, such as audio. Those type of activities on the internet will be open to you. Now, this price will vary depending upon the ship and depending upon the length of days. I've seen it vary from here and there, but on average for a 7-night cruise, it's going to be about $40 per device to upgrade to the premium package. All right, so let's now talk about specialty dining. The specialty dining package here is pretty simple to understand. The basic rule of thumb is 6 to 9 nights, you're going to get 1 night of specialty dining. Anywhere from 10 to 20, you're going to get 2 nights of specialty dining, or 21 days or more, you're going to get 3 nights of specialty dining. So if you got the 1-night package, you're going to be able to use it for the Pinnacle Grill or Temarant. If Temarant is not available on your ship, you'll be able then to use it at Camaletto. Now for the 2-night package, what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to use it for 1 night at Pinnacle Grill and 1 night at Temarant. You can't go twice to Pinnacle Grill. And again, if Temarant is not available on the ship, you'll be able to use it at Canaletto if Temarant is not available on your ship. So with the 3-night package, you'll be able to use it 1 night at the Pinnacle Grill, 1 night at Temarant, and 1 night at Canaletto. And again, if Temarant is not available on your ship, you'll get 2 nights at Pinnacle Grill and 1 night at Canaletto. Just remember, this excludes any kind of specialty dining events, such as salle de mer, the Beverage, and the sommelier's dinner. I have always had a hard time saying sommelier. Sommelier. I'm not good at pronouncing these French words. I'm just not. Do you have problems pronouncing French words? Let me know down below. But sommelier, I think, is the proper way to pronounce it. I wish I can say it easily, but I can't. All right, now let's talk about the shore excursions. I really like this add-on here because it's simple. It makes things easy. You don't have to worry about how much, is it per person. It's just simple. Basically, everybody gets a $100 shore excursion credit who is in your cabin. And this will apply to all shore excursion purchases that you make. So if you are a person that went on 2 $50 shore excursions, this will cover both of them. It's not like one shore excursion, it's $100. If it's less, you lose the $50. It's just a basic credit to your account for all your shore excursion purchases. And as I said, it's $100 per person in the stateroom. And that's for 6 to 9 night cruises. Now this number goes up when you're talking about a 10 to 20 night cruise. That number goes from $100 to $200 per person in the cabin. Finally, if you're on a nice long cruise, a 21-day cruise, this number is now $300 per person in the cabin, and it will be applied to all shore excursions that you do during those 21 days. So that's the general have it all package. Now, the cool thing is right now there's a promo going on at Holland America that takes the have it all package and it bundles it up with something called the best deal ever going on right now. So you get everything I just talked about with the have it all package, but you get 3 other things associated to this promo. What that is you're going to get some onboard credit. It starts at $100 and moves on up all the way to $300. I'll explain about that later. You also now get your crew appreciation, otherwise known as your gratuities, included as well. And you get a 50% reduced deposit as well when you book. So let's take a look. Let's break this down. I did a mock booking on Holland America for a 7-night Caribbean cruise on April 1st, 2023. What I did was I looked at a mock booking for a veranda, not obstructed view on the 8th deck in the rear of the ship, the aft of the ship. So when I took a look at this, I booked it with the Have It All package, including the new Best Deal Ever package, right? So it's called the Best Deal Ever package. It's the Have It All package with these 3 extra things. What it turned out to be for that 7-night cruise in that balcony on the 8th floor in the back of the ship, it turned out to be a cost of $3,048. It's not bad, especially for all the value that you're getting with these packages. Let's think about it, right? Gratuities are going to be $217. Now the Have It All benefits, right? It's going to be around close to $693 per person. That's the benefit of the Have It All package for those 4 things that we talked about. That's, as I said, almost $1,400. It's $1,386.58 to be exact. Now with the Best Deal Ever package, I'm going to get $100 onboard credit. Because with the Have It All package, the way the onboard credit works, it's again based upon the number of nights. If you're sailing for 6 to 9 nights, you get $100 onboard credit for the stateroom. If you are doing something from 10 to 20 nights, you get $150 onboard credit. And if you're doing anything 21 days or more, you will get $300 onboard credit. So what that really means is that your cruise price is really only $1,344 and some change. That's a good base cruise price, right? That's including your taxes too. So even if you now back out the taxes, which are $350, we're talking about, hey, the cruise is going to be about $498 per person, which is a great deal. That's about $71 a night. For a balcony at $71 a night on a premier cruise line, that's crazy. Premier cruise lines are usually about $150 per night. So as you can see, this is a high value proposition. But again, this is how you're going to want to cruise, right? You're going to want to cruise with the Wi-Fi package. You're going to want to cruise with a drinks package. You're going to want to do a night of specialty dining, right? If this is something that is of value to you. If it means nothing to you, if you're not a drinker, if you don't go to specialty dining, the main dining room is fine, and you want to completely disconnect, yeah, then I understand this might not be for you. But if you do like to cruise with those type of amenities, this is something you're going to need to look at. Because I took the liberty of checking an exact cruise on Royal Caribbean with the same exact date, on the same deck, in the back of the ship on Harmony of the Seas. Now, that cruise, without gratuities, was $2,700. Actually, it was a lot more than $2,700. It was $2,700.67 plus some change. Now, if you have to add in the gratuities, right, that's another $224. You're going to have to pay that. So right now, we are already almost at $3,000. Basically the price of the Holland America cruise, but you're getting so much more on the Holland America cruise for the same price. Because if you were to purchase a drink package on Royal Caribbean, the minimum that you will pay on a Royal Caribbean cruise on the Oasis of the Seas or like the Harmony of the Seas or any Oasis class ship, it's going to be somewhere around $63 per person per night plus an 18% gratuity. So that's $1,000 right on top of your cruise right then and there. So now you're at $4,000. And if you both want Wi-Fi, another $210. And say if you do one night of specialty dining at Chops Grill, that's going to be another $60 per person. You get no onboard credit. You get no shore excursion credit. We're talking about you're going to spend close to $4,400 on this cruise. So there you have it, folks. This is the basic things that you need to know about Holland America's Have It All package, especially with their new bundled with Have It All Best Deal Ever package. It's a great deal. Take a look at it, especially if you want to see a classic cruising experience for the first time on a premier cruise line. Definitely give it a look. So thanks again for watching this video. If you got a lot of value out of it, please think about giving it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. It costs you nothing. Give it a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've been on Holland America. What do you think about the Have It All package? What do you think about the Best Deal Ever package that's going on right now? Did you book one? Let us know what you think about the value that you got. I can't wait to hear from you. I want to hear from you. I will comment back on everything that's sent to us. We always reply on all of our comments. So this is Rob from Cruise Seekers. Going to sign off right now, thanking everybody for joining us and becoming a subscriber, giving us those thumbs up, giving up those comments. I love it. Please do it for this one. Give it a nice like, give a comment. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, turn that notification bell on. So until we talk again next time, this is Rob from Cruise Seekers, reminding each and every one of you out there to always seek the seas. Bye now.